Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's kitchen. Today we're making buffalo chicken meatballs. For this recipe, we are using 1 pound of ground chicken. Begin by adding half a medium-sized onion finely diced, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1/3 of a cup of Italian-style breadcrumbs. You may use plain breadcrumbs if you want, 1 tablespoon of fresh Italian parsley, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce such as Frank's red hot sauce, 1 large egg, a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now mix to incorporate. Once all the ingredients have been evenly incorporated, we can start making the meatballs. Now place a piece of parchment paper over a baking tray. Now using a small cookie scooper, scoop out the meatballs onto the tray. By using the scooper, we are ensuring that we end up with almost the same size meatballs. You should end up with about 22 to 24 meatballs. Then, with clean hands, go ahead and shape them into meatballs just like so. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now, bake at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes or until the chicken has been cooked through. The internal temperature should be 165 degrees. Meanwhile, in a skillet over medium-low heat, add in 3/4 of a cup of hot sauce. Add 4 tablespoons of salted butter. Allow for the butter to melt and stir to combine. And after 15 minutes, your meatballs will look like this. Now transfer the meatballs into the sauce. Go ahead and toss them in the sauce to coat evenly. And once evenly coated, transfer them to a serving platter. Yo, check this out. I think now you are ready to eat. You may serve them with your favorite dressing, such as ranch or blue cheese. There you guys have it, baked buffalo chicken meatballs. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching. Bye.